is grade 11 physics, unit 5, electricity and magnetism, lesson 7, transformers. Here's our question. Determine the input power and primary voltage of a transformer that has 300 turns of wire in the secondary coil and 450 turns in the primary coil. The secondary voltage is 66 volts and the secondary current is 2.5 amps. Is this a step up or step down transformer? So due to energy conservation, the energy through the primary coil must be equal to the energy through the secondary coil. We can write energy as power times time, where time can cancel, and electrical power is the voltage times the current. Now, since we can't directly calculate the power through the primary coil, since we don't know the primary voltage or the primary current, we can indirectly calculate it by first calculating the power in the secondary coil. When we do so, we get the power through the secondary coil to be 165 watts. And again, due to energy conservation, the power in the primary coil must also be 165 watts. Now, to figure out what the primary voltage is, we need to look at the fact that we have 450 loops in the primary coil and 300 loops or turns in the secondary coil. And those turns are directly related to the voltage with the following ratio. So rearranging, we can calculate the voltage through the primary coil and we get 99 volts. Since the voltage for the primary coil is 99 and the voltage for the secondary coil is only 66, this is a step-down transformer.